Welcome back to another video, guys. Today is basically going over the car, looking and trying to find all these surface rust spots that the car has. Thank God it doesn't have any structural rust, but it does have surface rust. So we're going to get rid of that with a wire brush attachment on a drill. So that's what we're going to do. And I have a feeling I know there's a bit on the rear bumper and around the car, so I'm going to show you and put you guys basically on a tripod when I do that, and you guys will see the process of me doing that, putting primer on everything and then painting it with the rust prevention paint. Just so you guys know, all the materials used in this video and products are in the description below. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to remove this rear bumper from the car. So I'm going to remove it because there's a rust spot below this, and I want to see how bad it is. I think it's just surface rust, to be completely honest, but I just need to remove this bumper and have a look under it. As you can see, at least from first glance, there is some rust right here. There is a little bit right there under the tail lights. There is a bit right here that I was not expecting for this to be this rusted, but it is. And let me continue to go around. There is no visible rust on this side. It just looks more like just dirt. This small rust spot right here. But what I wanted to see was that I thought this was rusted. It's not that this is rusted here. It's more of the crash rear support part that is rusted. So we are going to sand this down and repaint it, especially in here, because I feel like that can lead to rust to the rest of the body. But you can see all of it down here, it's pretty much not even rusted at all. I thought it would be, but no. So we're going to get rid of these rust spots, and then I will be painting this. I don't want to paint it the same body color because I think that it's better if we just use the rust prevention paint, which is just black, to prevent this from rusting again, than to make it look pretty and then for it to rust again. So I might just paint all of this black with a rust prevention thing and just get rid of the rust that we're working on removing this with it has 4 nuts holding it. I removed that one. I need to remove this one here and the other one over here. But as you can see, it definitely looks a lot better. Slowly getting there. I sanded this down. I cut this off with a cut-off wheel. I'm slowly going to get over here. I already cut a piece of it off at the bottom, so as you can see, most of the rust where it was not fixable, I was able to completely cut that off. I was able to cut this part off as well. As you can see, all the rust that is not basically salvageable. That's what we need to cut. Okay, so the camera discharged, but I just wanted to show you guys the process. This is basically after removing it from the car. I was able to remove that bar, but as you can see, I was able to remove it off this nut and also this one right here. But what I had to do to basically remove it from these two was basically cut off the entire stud. So that's what I did. As you can see, there's a little bit of surface rust there, a little bit here, but nothing major. That looks like it could literally be sanded down. There's a little bit here under the primer, but I should be able to get that off. Now I wanted to show you the bar, and I wanted to show you the other side. So you can see there's rust here. There's definitely a bit under that. That looks like it could get off. There's surface rust there. I think if I would have waited any longer, it would have gotten worse. So what I'm going to do is basically also cut on this side. I didn't want to cut it because it was on the car like this, and I was able to cut the front part, but I couldn't cut the back part without basically making a cut onto the car itself. So I didn't want to do that. That's why I tried so hard to get it off. And then now that it's off, I pretty much just go over it with the wire brush, get down to the bare metal, cut off the rusty part that I'm not obviously going to be able to salvage, and then after that,